It comes with little ones. These little ones. Yeah, there we go. They're going in there. Beautiful, mate. That's all, mate.
And the production.
Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are fitting a front splitter. So every time I've always gone with Mk7, but this time I'm just using Mk7 just so I don't hurt my knees. Right now this one is a 3-piece one. I've never fitted a 3-piece one to any of my cars, but the interesting thing is, see this, they come with screws, no bolts, and they're not self-tapping screws. I think you just got to force them in. We'll see how it goes anyway. Every time I've fitted a splitter, they've always come with bolts and washers. Don't know what that says, but yeah, they come like this, bang, bang, bang. Okay, let's get this out. They are in gloss black. Now it only cost me like £80, something like that. Very cheap, and I looked for a Mk7 one, and it would have, with delivery, it would have cost me £205. I say kiss my fucking ass. I'm paying fucking £205 for a fucking front splitter. You get one for like fucking 80 quid off eBay. Mk7R, so we're on the right track. It is on the, for this car, Mk7 left. That'll go like this. That'll go there. And that'll go there. Let's see how easy it is to clip in. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Why is it in? Oh, alright. Right, so that is that's just a support. I think I don't think you can actually go off it, but I think screws will have to go in there, one in each, one straight in there, but whilst it's on the body, maybe we shall see. Now obviously if you're on your own, you're going to need a jack. Jack's going to be your best friend. I'm going to try and get this all set up now, and I'm going to use my jack just as a pusher, right? You'll see what I'm talking about if you are fitting it on your own. If obviously you've got another person, then better, but I shall show you. So what I mean by pusher is pretty much this. Now because it is 3-piece, they are going to be flapping about. If it is 1-piece, then obviously it's a bit firmer, but the main thing is just to hold that up. It actually fits real nice with the bumper, front bumper. See, nothing's tight, I can still adjust stuff, so that's why you don't want to do it straight away. Line that up like that, that'll go like that, that there, and that like that. Oh, it's got like a little thingy. How far back are we going? About there, I think. As long as it doesn't stick too much like this. This is what you don't want. You want it at least here. And I think the first screw that I'm going to put is going to be this one, like the sides, just so if I do the middle, obviously the middle doesn't need moving, but if I do the middle, this might then adjust like that. But if I set this in stone over there, then I know that my turning angle, if I turn the wheel too much, is not gonna fucking grind half of that. Right, let's just see the other side. I'm not gonna lie, mate, for fucking 80 quid it's fucking looking alright. Yeah, I'm gonna put two. See the little, this is gonna be interesting now because these are the screws. Is it gonna go in? Where's it gonna go in? Into that, or into the bumper? Huh. Can't move it too far back. I think it stays up like that in a way. Can't do it like that. Ooh, this is gonna be interesting, mate. Let me just see where them screws. Okay, them screws will go into there. The middle is not a problem. I have got this one in. That one is the first one, the corner one that I've got in. Not that tight. I'm putting the second one in here, which nice and slow. Tighten that back one. Not too tight, because the worst thing now is for it to cross thread, and I've got another hole here. That's a squeezer, that. That is a squeezer. What the fuck are you doing? Not there. Angle this one into it. Oh fucking doobly. Right, yo. So, this is how it's looking. Like that. And then we've got a air wave there, like a little scoop. So the screw is there, and right here. So now I'm gonna do the other side. And again, let me just set up this camera. Control back. You fucking cunt. That'll be. Just like that. You go. Another one in here. Oh, what you do? We'll see how long it'll last. I've never used screws. I think as soon as I go over 100, it'll fly clean the fuck off. Now, I'm not going to use the impact to fully tighten them. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to, what's the word now? I'm tucking them in, and then with a handheld, I'm going to fully do it, because obviously if I too much on that, cross threaded to fuck me. And then this one here. Mate, fucking for 80 quid, mate, it's fucking alright. Max are too fucking expensive, man. That's fucking doing it. No, it's just the middle. I'll screw that in. Wait, how many holes are in the middle? 1, 2, 3. 3 holes in the middle. Ah, it comes with little ones. These little ones. Yeah, there we go. They're going in there. I'll do that now, mate. Didn't see the fucking middle one. I'll just hold it. Oh, so you can hold. Could have held it from the first go. So this is for your corner bits. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I swear. It's very hard. Could have held them all together in one piece. You see the 2 screws in the joints, so there it comes with 2 little ones. You see that and that. I would put them 2 in first, so I just need to put 2 more in this side, and then it will fully be one piece. But then in a way you're still gonna need like a holder. I wouldn't trust them 2 little screws, these ones here, man, no chance. I wouldn't hold one side up using these. Right, so let me screw the rest. And that is the final product. The car does need a wash. It hasn't been washed in about 3 days. So the splitter looks glossy black, whilst the car looks like mud. Right? Just like that. Beautiful. Mate, I'm impressed, to be honest, mate. But doubtful on them screws, man. We'll see if they hold up. That's what the sides are looking like. Main thing is just don't let that pass that, because as soon as your wheel does like a dodgy turning angle, it'll rip it clean off. Okay, same. See, that one's a bit further back, but it's alright, mate. You know what I mean? Who's gonna know, eh? Who's gonna fucking know? Beautiful, mate. That's all, mate. thanks for watching. I'll put it down in the link description, this one here. Only like 80 or 90 pound. Oh, and also you will be left with 3 more screws, spare ones. There are no holes for them. I think they just send them you if you want to drill more holes, but I'll just go with the holes that are already in there. Okay, thank you for watching. See ya.
I'm a different kind of chick.